Steel. Imported. No fur. 4 sharpening angles, 17, 20, 25, and 30. Carbide slots sharpen in 3 to 4 strokes. Ceramic benchstone for fine polishing. Rugged metal construction. 100% compatible with all Lansky kits and accessories. Maintain your knives in the field to the exact angle you set with your Lansky Sharpening Kit. The Lansky Quad Sharp features the same 4 angles as the legendary Lansky controlled angle sharpening system. The Quad Sharp is the perfect portable knife sharpener and kit accessory. The built-in ceramic polishing benchstone allows this pocket sharpener to be used as a fully functional, standalone sharpening solution. The smallest, most versatile multi-angle knife sharpener available. Top reviews from the United States. The best pocket sharpener I've used. Needed something with multiple angles because not every pocket knife is the same thickness. I kept using the same cheaper ones with one ceramic and one steel side. As soon as I used a slightly thicker blade on it consistently, hard to sharpen anything thinner. Worked like butter, got 5 knives sharp as a razor in about 10 minutes. For anyone who doesn't know, when you use these, clean your knife first. Draw your blade back in a straight consistent line. Smooth movement. Mostly use only the weight of the knife, don't press into it, you'll F your knife up. And make sure not to press hard on the end with the tip. Don't tilt down in it too much, try and keep it level with the tool. Hope this helps, guys.